Guidance for early diagnosis and early treatment. The group tested positive for COVID and have symptoms. You have tested positive for COVID and have some of the following symptoms: fever, sore throat, body aches, diarrhea, loss of taste or smell, dry cough. Here is what you must do. Take the following precautions. Stay at home, wear a mask and maintain distance from other family members. Drink a lot of warm water and other fluids like soup and juices. Do steam inhalation. Do proning if oxygen saturation is below 94%. Eat nutritious food. Medicines you must take. Number 1. Paracetamol if you have fever. 2. Ivermectin. Dosage: take tablet with or after food for 5 days. Adults 12 mg tablet once a day. Children 6 to 12 years of age 6 mg tablet once a day. 3. Vitamin C. Dosage: take tablet after food for 10 days. Adults 500 mg tablet twice a day. Children 6 to 12 years of age 500 mg tablet once a day. 4. Antibiotics may be added as prescribed by the consulting doctor. What to monitor? Monitor fever using a thermometer and oxygen level using a pulse oximeter 4 times a day. Consult your doctor or call 14410 if your oxygen level drops below 94% or if you have trouble breathing. Issued by Department of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Meghalaya.